List is the part of Python collections. In another way, list is a collection of items. It can be different items. Let's understand list in another way. For example, you are going to the camping trip in forest. What you will do? You make list of items which is necessary for survival in the forest. And what are those lists? Those lists are 1. Boots. 2. Rehydration. 3. Sleeping bag. 4. Tent. 5. Knife. 6. Headlamp. 7. Insect repellent. 8. Fire starter.
Now, I'm creating the Python list of these items. To create list in Python we need to give it a name. Let's call it camping_items. In Python we use square brackets to represent list.